This video is about the English prepositions in, on, and at. These tiny words may seem simple, but they have specific rules about when to use each one. Understanding these prepositions will help you speak and write more clearly. The preposition in is used for larger periods of time. Use in with months, seasons, years, and long periods like decades. For example, you say in July, in summer, and in 2025. It shows something happens during that longer time frame. The preposition on is used for specific days and dates. Use on with days of the week like Monday or Friday, and exact dates such as the 15th or May 5th. For example, you say on Monday and on May the 5th. It means something happens on that exact day or date. Use the preposition at for specific times on the clock and meal times. Use at with times like 9 a.m. or 3 p.m. Also, use at for meal times such as at dinner or at breakfast. This shows the precise moment or point in time. The preposition at has other important uses. Use it with specific addresses like at 28 Main Street, at events such as at a birthday party, and at public places like at school or at the dentist's office. It also refers to general times like at night. This preposition points to specific places or times. Here is a quick summary to remember. Use in for larger periods like parts of the day, months, and years. Use on for specific days, dates, and combinations like day plus time. Use at for precise times, night, and meal times. These rules will help you choose the right preposition every time. Now it's time to practice. Fill in the blanks using in, on, or at. For example, say school starts on Monday, my birthday is in July, meeting is at 3 p.m., and vacation is in summer. Practicing with real sentences will make your learning stronger. Here are the answers. School starts on Monday, my birthday is in July, the meeting is at 3 p.m., and vacation is in summer. Check your answers and repeat them to improve your understanding and speaking skills. You have learned when to use the prepositions in, on, and at. Practice daily sentences, read and listen to see patterns, and speak with confidence. Using these prepositions correctly will make you a better English speaker and writer.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.